Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 28th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have increasing clouds throughout the region this morning with a northeasterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gusting at times up to 20 miles per hour along the immediate coast. Temperatures range from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas and along the immediate coast. When we take a look at our surface map and radar from WeatherTap, high pressure is in control from basically Maine down to Virginia, but it is getting squeezed out by this developing storm that is starting to organize here off the North Carolina coast. And this feature right here, this is a perfect example of the polar shortwave and the subtropical jet stream shortwave beginning to interact and eventually phase into one storm. And that is essentially what we're going to be experiencing over the next 48 hours. And that is what's going to be bringing us rainfall, potentially some very heavy rainfall along the immediate coast with the potential for flash flooding. Now, there are some questions about the timing, so we're going to break that down for you right now. First, we want to take a look at our satellite pictures. You can see the clouds are increasing. It's going to continue on throughout the day. When we zoom out and take a look at our infrared satellite picture, you can see colder cloud tops starting to organize. As this feature begins to interact with this feature, they will start to develop a coastal low pressure system off the mid-Atlantic coast with a trough back towards the New Jersey coastal waters and New York City. As that develops, these cold cloud tops are going to start to increase. Okay, so you're going to see a lot of blues and greens and yellows start to make their way towards the New Jersey coast and the New York City metro. As that trough intensifies, showers will develop later this evening, becoming widespread and heavy towards midnight, especially along the immediate Jersey Shore, the New York City metro, Long Island, Hudson River Valley, and Connecticut. The further west you go, the less impacts you'll have from the system, but there's still going to be a few pesky showers lingering around. And then this whole system organizes with a new low pressure system out here. But the rainfall isn't going to end over Connecticut and Long Island until that low pressure system organizes and takes shape and then pulls away. So that leads to a bit of a complicated forecast. So let's walk this through. For today, increasing cloud cover is expected. Look for temperatures to rise into the mid to upper 60s throughout the region as the day goes along. Now, by this evening, showers begin to develop along the coast. And a few of these showers, let's say around Ocean and Monmouth County, south side of Long Island, could produce some brief heavy downpours. We're talking more towards the 6-7 p.m. hour. As we head towards midnight, the coverage of those showers will begin to increase. And so as you head towards midnight, you'll start to see this area of moderate to heavy rainfall really start to organize in Ocean and Monmouth counties of New Jersey, the New York City metro, much of Long Island, Connecticut, and the Hudson River Valley. As that is organizing, other showers begin to break out throughout the entire northern mid-Atlantic, but they'll be weaker, but still capable of a brief heavy downpour here and there. So you have this fire hose of rain basically driving into Connecticut, Long Island, New York City metro, and the central New Jersey coast by tomorrow morning, with low temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. While that's going on, we have scattered showers throughout the area. On Friday, that fire hose will start to shift more towards central Connecticut and central Long Island, but you'll still be dealing with scattered showers throughout the rest of the region. Just the heaviest rainfall is going to be focused in Connecticut and Long Island. Look for temperatures to rise into the mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast, upper 60s to lower 70s away from the coast. As we move into Friday evening, that band begins to shift because a new low pressure system starts to organize. So it becomes a different orientation, focusing towards the eastern Long Island, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, but we still have scattered showers hanging around the rest of the northern mid-Atlantic. By Friday night into Saturday morning, the trough starts to depart. Showers continue to linger around Connecticut and Long Island. Showers become more isolated as you head towards basically New York City metro on to the west towards Philadelphia and eastern Pennsylvania. with temperatures on Saturday morning ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s in the suburbs, and lower to mid 60s on the immediate coast. On Saturday afternoon, the low pressure system pulls away. There's still a few pesky showers along the immediate coast, but they'll be light. The majority of your rainfall will be focused towards southern New England. Connecticut will dry up from west to east, and skies will clear from eastern Pennsylvania to the coast as you go on through the afternoon hours. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the lower to mid 70s. On Sunday, high pressures in control with clear skies, tranquil conditions, with low temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast. In the afternoon, look for high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s. On Monday, high pressure remains in control with tranquil conditions. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, high pressure remains in place with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures through the period to range from the mid to upper 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 70s over the interior and along the immediate coast, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.